You know what that is?
Grandfather's bird chirper.
It's my grandfather's bird chirper. This is a bird call. You know why I have my grandfather's bird call with me today?
Is it because we're at 1609?
Canary Drive? Yes, it is because we're at 1609 Canary Drive.
In Sunnyvale with Cupertino Schools.
OMG. Canary Drive, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms.
2,648 square feet.
2,648 square feet. It looks fantastic. Big backyard, right?
Right.
Hardwood floors, nice floor plan, lots of light formal dining room, separate living room and family room. Well, we've got one of the bedrooms set up as a family room.
And don't forget a fantastic location close to schools, parks, retail, central, everything. It's so centrally
All
located
of the
for
tech
Silicon
campuses,
Valley.
right?
Everything.
Like Apple's about a mile away or something like that. It's ridiculously well located. 1609 Canary Drive. Canary Drive.
Come and see us and hear us sing.
Yeah, indeed. 408-979-1400. 408-979-1400.
Or www.briananddan.com.
Call us about this house. Call us about real estate. Call us about anything that's on your mind right now. We'd love to talk to you, right?
Yep.
Anything, right?
I said yeah.
Okay, briananddan.com. Out!